take your spreadsheet and put it into Google My Maps. So just Google My Maps. And I don't know if you have to create an account, but I've already logged into mine. And you're going to click on Create a New Map. And then you're going to look for your spreadsheet that you're going to add. So I just title this whatever it is. You could say Tennessee Books. I've been trying to keep track of them, so whatever the title is, I always add ratedbooks.org so someone can find it. And then I put in here to challenge a book, go to, and then you'll put your website right here. And ours is Challenge Books. Okay, so then everybody will see this. And then I'm going to import my list, and it's in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Google Drive, and then I'm going to find a school. And this is where I created my reviews. And I just click school, so it will list that. And then sometimes it'll say only the first 50 columns will show, so I always only show 50 columns. I don't like this map. I think it's too distracting, so I just choose a different base map. And then I will rename this, and I always name it ratedbooks.org. And you'll want to put in the name of your website or wherever you want them to go. It doesn't matter, but if they have questions. For individual styles, I choose sequence of numbers so that it's listed, and then they can click on the school to see it. This is my edited view. I'll show the other one later. And then once you have this, you're going to want to click on share, so you can click on anyone can view, let others search for, and then I don't like people to see me. So then I click this link to copy it, and then I have it to share. And usually I go to tinyurl.com to take that URL and make it better. So you just go to tinyurl. I'm signed in, so you might need to, but it's free. And then you could put Tennessee Challenge Books or whatever you want, or you could leave it blank, and then it will make a smaller URL, so it's easier for people to copy and paste. And hopefully, then I just copy it, and this will link to your map for people to use. And then when they go, they will see, this is the preview of it. This is what they will see. And they'll click on the school, and this is how I, say what's in my school, and I copy and paste this for them. And also they can just sit here and click on it. So this doesn't have as many, but either way, it's public information arranged in a usable format.